I started to take apart my Porsche, which I didn't do on camera just because I didn't know really what I was going to be doing. But if you don't remember my last video, which I will link up, I will link up here, at the car meet, Porsche broke again, and there was no way of fixing it. So I started taking it apart. Here's the little gearbox all taken apart with the motor still attached. And we were playing with the gears, there's only a few, and discovered why it stopped working. Completely sheared off those teeth. Wow, my hair. Okay, so I'm going to try and see if I can either find this replacement piece on like eBay, or maybe if I can super glue some extra little points of the teeth on, because I really want to ride this thing. I only ever got to ride it a couple of times and not very far, not for very long. So I want to get back on it, especially because those 12-volt motors were poop. I'm gonna see if I can manipulate this gear somehow and get it working again so I don't have to spend more money on another gearbox. Although if you'd like to help with any of my builds, being the wagon, my Porsche, anything like that, you can go check out my Patreon. It's Patreon, it's under Miss VTech, of course. And you can either subscribe to one of the tiers, or you can just donate, you know, a penny. I don't care. Any little bit helps. So, thanks. Hi, Christian.
Me?
Me? What? Me? Music? Ah!
He has contracted mesothelioma from the shipping industry.
Party in the tool crib. Don't look at the light. Don't look at the light.
In your video.
I had
Why?
a thing of it though, right?
Too late. You're already in the video.
You're like,
Okay.
Where would it have gone? I
Hot
wouldn't have
stapler.
thrown away a full thing.
Let's go.
Okay. Wait, what about the Dremel?
it was either
You're
in
gonna
that
get that
box
later.
or in my top shelf.
Woo. All right, Brandon's gonna show me how to use the hot stapler real quick. I'm not proud of this, but this is how plastic welding went. So this is the dry side, the other side's the wet. I'm not proud of this at all, not at all. But we're just gonna get a Dremel and Dremel out those little sides, so it basically just extends it with plastic. It's an easy fix for now, and I don't really have the means to get another one anyways, so why not try to fix it with what you've got, right? This is also my first time using a Dremel on something very small and very easy to mess up. So, yeah. So I realized this just wasn't going to plan. It's not coming out how it's supposed to at all, and it's not easy to control the Dremel. And then Fred reminded me that I have an old broken gearbox, and the gear on that one is completely fine. And I don't know why that one broke, but yeah, I'm just gonna replace this and see if that makes it work.
working away in there.
So I took it completely apart again because I thought it was broken again. And then come to find out, when I plugged it all in to try and see why it's making that noise so I could physically see it, it turns out it's fine. The battery I had in it before, even though it was fresh off the charger, completely charged, pooped out on me. So, let's get this back on. Yes! Oh, sweet! Okay. She lives! We're going on a ride in 4K. Ah! No! Hi! I don't have brakes. Looks like we died again. So much for that.